everyone, welcome back. This is Crafts with Crashly. I have another Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you all. This one is super duper cute. It's going to be releasing this Saturday, and it is Cozy Puppy by Auclair Studios. And it is the square drill, and it's 90 centimeters by 60 centimeters. It's a big one. Woo! So yeah, very large. And of course, this outside box was covered in their plastic, but I already cut through it. So it is the same box that we are used to. I'm so excited to see this. Look at it. And it has so many details here, and like with the sun coming in, it has some potential for some extra blinging, you know, if you're into that kind of thing. So let's go ahead and open it up here. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Okay, I'm just going to take out the contents of the box here. We have our toolkit. And, okay, here we go. The big old canvas. Okay, did I miss anything? All right. So, let's take a look. Here we have our sticker. And it has the size, the shape, and this is what you can put on your container of your drills if you want to, you have multiple whips going at the same time. We want to make sure you know what drills go with what canvas. So you can put this right on top of your drill storage. Cute. Okay, I'm going to set that over here. We're going to go into the toolkit here real quick. This one was sealed. Look at that. Maybe. The key to diamond painting is you have to, look, I'm just going to rip the whole thing open because I'm impatient. All right. Is that it? Yep. Okay. So it is a square drill. So we do have our death tweezers here. Some people like to place it with their pen and their wax, and some people like to use their tweezers. And we have our drill tray here and this little piece that comes out. This is a stopper. So, woo, there we go. When you pour some of your drills in here and you shake them, this stopper is to prevent them from going out when you don't want them to. We have our drill pen. It's where you put the wax in there, and it has the matching little grippy majigger thing that I can never get on there very well. Oh, look, it's happening. Nope, okay, this is me giving up. And I feel like this washi tape we have a theme going on here. The puppy is sleeping, so I guess that makes sense. We have our little washi tape. You can use this on the border of the canvas if you have animals or something and you don't want hair to get on the glue that goes past the drill field. You can use that to protect it. You can also use it to section off your canvas if you want to do that as well. We have two multi-placers here to set two or multiple diamonds down at one time. We have our cute cover minder. Looks like little flowers. And it comes with both magnets. That's used to hold back the plastic as you're working on it. We have our plastic baggies for the extra drills when you start to work on it. And our waxes here. So they always send two little heart waxes in their heart container. And you just pull back the plastic here. And then you could stab your drill pen. And that's how you fill it with wax. Super easy. You can also do that, same way with your multi-placer. But I am eager to see this canvas. So the canvas is all rolled up and it's in this plastic here. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm excited. Does anyone plan on getting this one? Tell me in the comments. Because it does have, I know people like to do canvases, like if they have pets and they see artwork that's released with the same, pet that they have, Whoop. There we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, what else is in here? All right, and we will open up the canvas in just a minute. Let me lower you down here. There we go. So, inside the rolled canvas, we have our drills here, which we will look at. We have their thank you little notebook here. Thank you for your purchase. It gives you tips and trick, what's included in your kit. You have a QR code for their VIP Facebook group. If you're not already part of that, go ahead and join it. There's all sorts of people in there. If you have questions, need tips and tricks, things like that, it's a really good resource. Now, I don't think I've gotten a Diamond Art Club painting with 2 sheets of colors. Oh my gosh. So this looks like there's, oh wow, there's 73 colors. Wow. Oh my gosh. And it has like 1, 2, 3, as 4 of those glitter drills as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is what they send. You can use these individual stickers here to label your containers when you go to kit up with your drill storage here. That's crazy though. There's 2 of them. Start and end date, and it tells you what the canvas is, the shape, and the size. If you want a better close-up of what the canvas is, look how cute it is. There's so many like little details, like this little picture right here. And you like your coffee cup here, the candles. See, this is what I meant by enhancement opportunities. So a lot of people like to use, like with DPO sparklers, T-Malls drills, you could put like crystals right here, how they're shining in on the blanket. You could put it here in the light. You could put some glow glass drills, and you have another light shining down here. Lots of opportunity for, you know, enhancements here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the canvas, and then we'll pull out the drills. So I'm just gonna roll this out here. It's pretty big. I have it upside down again. What is with me in opening these upside down? Oh, wow! Y'all, okay, I'm gonna pull you back up. There we go. Okay. Wow. Okay, give me just a second. I'm just going to flatten this out here so we can see it. Okay, so I flattened it out a bit. Now, I'm hoping the details of this canvas come through for you all. It is absolutely massive. Like, here's my hand. It's so cool. So like the cup, look at this. It has the cup you could see perfectly, the drawers, and it even has like the shadowing on the drawers. Oh my gosh. And the pillows. And then up there, these books, and it looks like there's picture frames and stuff up there. More books here, the picture, the clock. Oh my gosh. They did really, really good with this rendering. I am just blown away right now. Wow. It looks like there's going to be a lot of 310s up in the dark areas of the bed. It's a lot of color blocking here. Let me try to zoom you in a little bit. So yeah, lots of color blocking, but then it gets into kind of a mix. So like here with the candle, looks like there's a bit of confetti. Really, really good. I'm blown away by this rendering, honestly. It looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna lower you back down now, and we're going to open up the drills. All right, I have the drills open here. It does look like it's going to be a lot of 310s. So if you want to see them all together, we have lots of darks, but it's going to look really cool with the darks next to the light shining in. Just trust me, I know some stuff, okay? So I'm going to take them out strand by strand. Let's see here. So it begins. We have all of these 310s. Oh, and we're getting into 3371s. Ooh. This one says Ikaru. Look at that. All right. 451939. Got some browns and stuff. So these are probably like more down in the table area, I would think. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm trying not to bore you all with staying too long on the colors, but some people like to see it, you know? All right, so we have 924, and then it looks like we're getting into our first Razzle Dazzle drills. So it's the white glitter drills. super pretty. We have two big old things of that. Let's see, where is the... So this is the singular dot. And that is, it looks like it's throughout the, oh, you can't see. It's going to be throughout the headboard here and the pillow. Also in the lighting in the window and the lamp. 823801. So pretty. I kind of like the muted tones. Like, this is definitely a really good canvas to have just like in your living room, regardless of the theme of your home. It would be a really good one to gift as well. Super pretty. Let's go on to, looks like we have two more strands left to show. It's 73 colors, y'all. That's crazy. There we go. 898502. Really pretty purples. Ooh, look at that teal color. That's so pretty. And we're going, oh, another one. Can't wait to see what the other razzle dazzle drills are. Here's one. Look at this. Look at this blue. Oh, that's really pretty. This is Z162. So that is like the blue arrow. Where's that gonna be? Oh, so it's throughout the bedspread on this side. And it looks like, is this some of the pillow? Nope, none of the pillow. So yeah, it's mainly on like the bedspread over here. Super cute. And those last two. All right, last strand. Just kidding, there's two more. Okay, for real now. So we have more 938, 317, 3772, 951, 300. This one doesn't count. It's like a baby strand. Okay. Okay. Now, for real last one. We have 3860, 758. Here's an, ooh, look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's a really pretty purple. Z3024. That's a W. Oh, it looks like we're going into this other pillow here and into the curtains up there by the window. 7546021. Oh, so pretty. This canvas is something else, I'm telling you. Oh, here we go. This is another razzle dazzle we have. It's like a yellow. Wow. Z739. And that is the weird, I don't know what to call that symbol, like an upside down flower. We have that here throughout the candle. Makes sense. So gorgeous. This is going to be really, really pretty done. So in this canvas as well, I didn't forget to mention, we try to move this real quick. This does have their perforated plastic. I'm going to zoom in so maybe you could see. Okay, so with their new perforated plastic, your canvas is already kind of sectioned for you. So if you could see this little line right here, you could peel up the bottom of this and it just kind of tears with you. You can go over here on this side, and they're not super huge sections either. So, see how it peels without you having to worry about the washi tape method. You can even fold it back, or, you know, they sent you this cover minder too. Or if you don't have cover minders, there's like a bazillion shops out there where you can get cover minders. Like, it's not even hard to do. Look at this. Bam. Now it's held back, and you have all of this exposed. And I got something black on it. Look at that. It's super easy. So then you don't have to worry about using the washi tape method where, you know, if you just slightly, you know, tear it the wrong direction, it's going to go all Willy Wonka, whatever. Crazy Daisy. So yes, that is the canvas. I hope you all love it. And, you know, I think that I actually might work on this. It, like I said, it's going to be a really good Christmas present for somebody. I think, like, I don't know, family members that know that you diamond paint, that you still haven't given them a diamond painting. I have like 5 of those family members. I think that my grandma would love this because she has a dog that looks just like this. But yeah, that's that. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you're brand new here, please hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up on your way out. And I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, this is releasing on Saturday. And join their VIP group as well to check out the other releases that they have coming. If if it's your first time purchasing from Diamond Art Club, I'll also have my affiliate link where you can get a discount with your first purchase. That's going to be in the description of this video. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, everyone. Bye.